Welcome to Chess 6000. Advanced Jesterology and Satire, everything.
This 18-credit program explores meme warfare, performance chaos, and intergalactic trolling as forms of psychological liberation. Course 1, Mass Theory, Legacy, Clowncraft, 3-credit History of Satire, from grease paint to GIF. The screaming mime echoes in silence while midterm paint your so-called flaws into a mask and wear it at your opponent's government meeting. Hey students, yes Professor Jesteryn, what is the first law of comedy in motion? Make 'em laugh, hit 'em with a punchline out of the blue. Master of Jesters, graduate Summa cum laude. Master of Jesters, Dean's List, not memes list, baby. Master of Jesters, your diploma's a whoopee cushion sealed in gold. Master of Jesters, now lead the parade and make the serious fold. Course 2, meme production and algorithmic chaos. Learn how to maximize memes to overthrow AI and piracy. Required lab, create 5 viral distractions before curfew. Final, deconstruct a dictatorship with only puns and a whoopee cushion. Hey students, yes Professor Jesteryn, what is the second law of laughter dynamics? If you can make tragedy laugh, you're in the right chapter. Master of Jesters, graduate Summa cum laude. Master of Jesters, Dean's List, not memes list, baby. Master of Jesters, your diploma's a whoopee cushion sealed in gold. Master of Jesters, now lead the parade and make the serious fold. They laughed at him, then they laughed with him. Then he sold laughter back to them at a markup. This is the education system of a clown hound. Course 3, satirical, policy and legislative vid. Rough laws for a fictional empire based solely on rhymes and rubber chicken. Mock Senate required, field trip to the clown dimension. Liability waivers must be signed and returned before I see you next Tuesday. Hey students, yes Professor Jesteryn, what is the third law of cosmic irony? The joke always lands, but never where you aimed it. Master of Jesters, graduate Summa cum laude. Master of Jesters, Dean's List, not memes list, baby. Master of Jesters, your diploma's a whoopee cushion sealed in gold. Master of Jesters, now lead the parade and make the serious fold.
This concludes your degree. You may now put Master of Jesters on your resume. Please pay your remaining tuition fees into the flaming piñata in front of you. Class dismissed.